Good morning, students. Today's our topic is sense organ, and in this topic we will discuss about the statocyst and ostridium found in a pila, the apple snail. A snail is diffusely sensitive for the sensory cells and are distributed all over the head, foot, and various other parts of the body. Special organs of sense include a single ostridium, paired eyes, statocyst, labial palps, and tentacles. Many sensory organs or sensor cells are present both inside and outside the animal body, and these structures receive stimuli from their immediate environment and allow the animal body to adapt optimally according to the environment they react or response. Some receptors that are found in animals are sensory cells, tentacle, statocyst, ocelus, palpus, etc., and which experience the sensation of touch, taste, water flow, light, chemical, smells, and sounds, as they are the sensory or sense organs. Structural and functional complexity of animal receptors has also evolved with the development of simple to complex forms during the biological evolution. The complexity and differentiation of receptors are also dependent on the animal's habit and the nature of the habit. Uh, it means because they are sedentary or they are the endoparasite, which is the nature of the depends on the nature of the animals. Thus there are parasitic or sedentary forms may be absent or less developed, while in active free living animals they are of different types and are highly modified. Today we will discuss the statocyst and ostridium in pila. First, the statocyst. Statocysts are a pair of small pyriform and cream color sacs lying one on other side attached to the pedal ganglion of the side by a band of connective tissues, and they are a balancing organ. Each statocyst is embedded in the groove near the pedal ganglion in the leg region. Each statocyst lies in a depression posterior and outer of the ganglion. In this diagram, the statocyst is cream colored and like a round capsule. It is covered with a rigid and coarse protective covering of the connective tissues. The connective tissues are shown. Each statocyst is a hollow capsule and surrounded by an outer thick, tough, and leathery covering, which is made by the connective tissues. Wall of the capsule is made by a single layer of ectodermal cell. This is a single cell layered the epithelium, and the epithelial cells are of a sensory nature and are attached to the cerebral ganglion by the neurological nerve. The cavity of the capsule is filled with a fluid containing several minute particles of calcium carbonate called the statoconia. In the diagram, in the central part, the statoconia. The sensory on the movement or the movement strikes the sensory epithelial cells, and the stimulus they receive is sent to the brain by the sensory nerve. The cavity of the capsule is filled with a fluid and variable number of minute oval and calcareous particles, which I told you they called the statocyst, uh, and the organs statocysts are called the organs of equilibrium. The second one sensory organ is osphradium. The osphradium of the pila is located on the left side of the body near the opening of the duct lobe attached to the roof of the mental cavity. Actually, it is suspended from the roof of the mental cavity, close to the entrance through the left nuchal lobe, and it is an oval structure with a length of 6 to 7 mm. Its right or inner end is round, while the left or outer end is pointed. The right end is bluntly rounded. It is bipectinate, consisting of 22 to 28 thick, fleshy, and roughly triangular leaflets, arranged in two rows along a slightly raised median or a central axis. In this diagram, we can see the central axis and the uh, lamellae or the leaflets. Leaflets are largest in the middle of the osphradium, and each leaflet is attached to the mantle wall by its broad base, to the central axis by its smaller inner side, while its outer longer side remains free. Actually, they gradually decreases inside towards the both end, and each leaflet is connected to the mantle by its wide basal area and its short inner side, which is connected to the central axis, and the outer long section remains the free. The osphradium is connected to the left pleural ganglion by a nerve. This is the cross section of the osphradium, and the microstructure of the leaflets can be seen in a transverse section. It is a TS. It is lined by the outermost covering of the single cell layered epithelium, supported on an underlying basement membrane. The underlying space is filled with the connective tissue, nerves, and the blood space. In this diagram, the structure are shown. The epithelial cells are columns with basal nuclei, and there are three types: sensory, ciliated, and glandular cells. The ciliated cells connect the attached leaf margin with the mantle, and the sensory cells, which are non-deflected, cover the exposed free margin, and the gland cells are present in between the sensory cells. Actually, it acts as the olfactory organs and tests the chemical quality of the water current entering the animal because it is a pathway in the respiratory water flow. And the actual function of the ostidium is not clear. The ostidium is also possibly aids in the selection of food entering in the body. In this way, the it's all about my today's lecture. We studied about the sense organs in the pila, osphidium, and the statocyst. Thank you.